perspective limits our altitude and vice versa. But this T25 release it. Looks amazing? You can also make it. Potensic T25. Life should be this way. Refuse to be complicated and make it simple. One key taking off, landing. Fixed point hovering in the air. GPS positioning system. And one key auto return. T25 can automatically return and land precisely. However, our T25 is more than that. T25 can meet all your expectations. A smart drone. The drone will fly according to your designed route and the app map. A good partner. T25 will always fly around you, wherever you go, by the follow me mode. Flashlight helps you